Catherine Hittinger, a name you probably do not recognize. The Fidget Spinner, a toy you probably do recognize. What is the connection? Find out after this awesome theme song break. According to The Guardian magazine, written by Richard Luscombe, the fidget spinner is making tens of millions of dollars, but the inventor isn't making a penny of it. Hey everybody, my name's Evan DiDio, and you're watching the Evan DiDio Show, where we talk about basically everything: God, life, music, and everything in between. And today we're going to be talking about the fidget spinner and the inventor of it, and why she is making nothing off of her invention. So why is the inventor of the fidget spinner not making a penny off of her invention? Well, like many other inventors, she was not able to afford to keep the patent up. As Luscombe said, Hittinger held the patent on finger spinners for 8 years, but surrendered it in 2005 because she could not afford the $400 renewal fee. Just because she couldn't afford the simple $400 renewal fee, everyone is now making fidget spinners, and she's not making any money off of it. Now, I know this is a really sad story, but there is a lesson we can learn from this. And my question to you is, why are you still sitting there watching YouTube? Why don't you go out and find the little inconveniences we have every single day, but then find the solution? Find the problem, but then find the answer. Well, I hope that motivated you to do something. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that. I'm going to have more videos on the way, so make sure you stay in touch. Bye.